Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change page size in your Canva. First of all, open up your design. I'm just going to use a template from here. Now there are two options to change the page size in Canva. If you have a Canva Pro, you can simply click on Resize and Magic Switch and click on Custom Size and select any size you want from here. After selecting the size, you can click on this box and click on Copy and Resize button if you want the original to keep, and click on Resize this design if you do not want the original design. I am going to use Copy and Resize button. Now click on Open and you can see that it has been resized successfully. Now if you do not have a Canva Pro, go to the Canva homepage and create a new design. Now click on Custom Size, which is at the bottom of this box. Now select the size you want and click on Create New Design button. After that, head over to the design and copy all of these and paste it here. And in this way, you can change the size of a page in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.